Guys, it is me, Tanisha, and I am back with another video. Hey girl. Hey. So today's video will not be long at all. Of course, you know we have my girl. This wig right here is Love Me Hair's Effortless Elegance brown highlight bouncy wig. This is a minimalist wig. This wig is pre-cut, so we don't have to do a whole lot to this wig right here. As you can see, she has already been pre-curled. Our part has been made for us already, and on the inside parted and pre-bleached and all those good things that we could possibly hope for. As you can see, we are pre-cut. So all we have to do is put on our wig cap, put on our wig, make a couple of touches, because I do want to show you some things that you can possibly do with this wig to make it stand out, like the picture that you see on the website. We're finna get into that right now. We already have our wig cap on so that we can hide any darkness up under the lace portion of this, and it can look as natural as possible. There's really not much to do to this wig right now besides put it on. But you start off by adjusting your straps. Your straps are the most important thing when it comes to this wig. So make sure you adjust these inside straps as well as your adjustable band. Flip the wig inside out. Place that behind our head and adjust it while we have it on. Pull your wig down. Make sure your lace is not folded at the top. Found a comfortable position for your wigs. Make sure your ear tabs and everything is comfortable around your ears. This is what your wig will be looking like straight out of the box. So get into those highlights. Get into the bounce of the curl. But like I told y'all, we're going to do a little extra razzle dazzle because this ain't it. Let's be honest. Let's be real. This is cute, but there could be more. First, we're going to start out by looking at our curls. There are two ways you can do this. We are going to pull these curls out just a little bit, but we're not going to do it to where it messes up the curls completely. We just want to pull them out to where it makes our hair a little bit more full and make them look a little bit better. So the option is you can take them and pull them apart one by one and twist them back around, or you can take a wide tooth comb. I'm going to use my wide tooth comb to pull these out because I feel as though that would give me a much better look and it'll help my hair come together a little bit better. So when you are doing this, pull the curls back. Pull them down. I prefer to pull them back because you don't mess them up too bad, and it's easier to get a whole look from it. So pull those back just like this. Pull those down. You could take a few and twist them back around to give it an awesome look, or to give those curls their form back just a little bit because you are pulling them out. Or you could just take your fingers and run it through. When you do this, it will shed just a little bit, not too much. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. And to the back. Now I'm just going in with my fingers and pulling through just a little bit so I can get a little bit more body. So you continue to do that until you get to where it is comfortable as far as the volume of it. Now, if you keep combing and keep combing and keep combing, it is possible that your hair will get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So just keep that in mind as you're combing through these curls, because once those curls start coming apart, they're going to start showing their true forms. So if you like this look, as far as the minimalist styling goes, that's it. That's all. This is all you have to do. But if you want to take it a little step further, if you don't like what is going on at the top or whatever, and you want to comment down just a little bit, but I don't think this wig was made for girls who want to calm things down. I think this wig was made for the girls who want to stand out and who love big, fluffy, bouncy, pretty hair. But just in case you are one of those, grab your wax stick. Y'all know I love me a good wax stick. You're going to grab your wax stick. And you're going to dab a little bit to that front area and to this top area. Now, I do believe that the bang should stay up a little bit just to give it a more characteristic look in the style. Not too far though, but up. So we're going to adjust that just a little bit and dab a little bit on the back. Take your hot comb and lift it up just a little bit. Not much. Not much. Take this part, lay that down just a little bit. Just to tame it so that it's not going crazy on you. Still fan that out though. And then for this side right here, we're just going to take and give it a little lift. Make sure that your tracks are not showing because the lace does not go all the way across your head. And this is the look. Not too much. I told y'all this video is not going to be long at all. This is it. This is the video. Let me change locations so y'all can see the real deal of this hair. I have switched locations so you guys can get into the real deal curl, the look, everything about this wig. It's cute. I like this. This is definitely for the girls who don't want to do too much but want to look extra extravagant. This wig is definitely good for that. You don't have to do too much to the lace. I didn't even have to put my CoverGirl makeup on here. Not my CoverGirl, but my Ruby Kisses makeup. I didn't have to put my Ruby Kisses makeup on here. I didn't have to do any of that. I didn't have to part it. I didn't have to recurl it. I just bumped it a little bit with my hot comb. That's it. Comb my curls out just a little bit. This wig is full. I like the bounce and I like the color of this. It's giving a little touch of highlights, little touch of pretty. Now I will say that if you wash this wig, I don't know if the curls will come back for sure, but I do know that they hold a curl for a very, very, very long time. So I like that about this wig. If you like this wig and you like this look, make sure you go to my description box and you use the coupon code that is provided in the description box for this wig. I don't know which one it is yet, but you will definitely see it once you go down there. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.